What is going on, guys? It's Colton Ainsley with Colton Nailed It, and today I'm going to show you guys how to remove and replace your old window with a replacement window. So let's get into it. So the difference between a replacement window and a new construction windows come with a flange on each side, or a nailing flange. Your replacement window is going to be using the existing frame. So when you guys are measuring, you're going from inside of your jambs left to right, and then inside from your sill all the way up to your top jamb, bottom to top. And you'll take two measurements on each side, top to bottom and left to right, and then you'll take the smallest measurement for each one, write that down, and that's what you're going to be ordering for your new windows. All right, then once you get your new windows, before you remove the existing, make sure that you take your measurement of your new window to ensure that it's gonna fit in this opening that we're about to create. Once you have your new window, you make sure everything's good, you're ready to start removing trim and then the old window. So let's get into that. All right, guys, so once you have your window out, the next thing we're gonna do, we'll degrease the sill pan here, and then we'll reflash this opening with an acrylic flashing tape. So let's go. All right, guys, now that our window is properly flashed, we're gonna level the sill, plumb up our sides here, and then we'll square off the opening. So that way, when we put the new window in, there shouldn't be any issues whatsoever. It should just be plug and play from this point on. All right, so we're completely level here, and then completely plumb on our sides as well. Now, in the event that you weren't completely level and plumb, all you would do would be to add shims. You would add shims so that way this would be level. So when you set your window in, all you have to worry about is plumbing up the sides. From here, we can just set the window in, square it off, and then secure it. All right, guys, once we have our window in place, we're gonna square up the window, take the diagonal from the top right to the bottom left, and then top left to the bottom right. And those measurements should be somewhere within a 1/16 of each other, or if not, right on. So we'll do that, we'll correct as necessary, and then we'll secure it in place. 63.5. 63.5. All right. Let's get this thing secured. All right, guys, so we have our new replacement window in, and that's all the time we're gonna have for today. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel. There will be more how-tos and things like this. And thanks for watching. See you next time.